It's that special time of the year. Christmas time is finally here, bringing lots of holiday cheer. Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas from the Vision Cast team, Cloud 11 team, and Text-to-Speech team, and all of us from Music Mayhem as well. Merry Christmas from George and Rachel. Hope your holiday's amazing. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Welcome to the world where visions unite. Vision cast and network, where ideas take flight. Randomness and fun, talent shining bright. Join us in the journey and into the light. Vision cast network, where dreams are unveiled. In a world of wonder, no one is curtailed. Fun, talent, and randomness never derail. In the Vision Cast Net, your vision has said.
Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the case may be. If you're listening to this now or later, it doesn't matter where you are in the world. Thank you for joining us for another normal episode. Yes, I did say normal because we have something special coming up soon. We'll get to that shortly, but before we get to that, I want to introduce my original VC crew, my original crew who keeps it tidy. Starting off with the females, we have our greatest and wonderful team member who always does a great job, even when things get kind of crazy, both on the technical side and the general side of things, Rachel. And yes, I did not mess up the name this time.
Hey guys, hey Vision Cast Land, what's up? It's Rachel, aka Cloud 11. Glad to be here with you guys for another episode. And we have some very special announcements coming up, so be sure to stay tuned for that regarding Music Mayhem, Vision Cast, and other things. So we definitely have a lot of updates. So once everybody's been introduced, we will get to those.
All right, and before I say anything else, or the rest of the people get introduced, we couldn't forget our greatest Nightingale, Nora. Hey, Nora.
Hello, hi everyone. Good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world, and happy holiday, and hope you all will enjoy the show.
Yep, Nora is also cool, but she's not only a great team member, but funny as well, especially when it comes to her laughing after every joke or pun that we put on each episode. All right, so next up we have Katie. Katie is here. Hi, Katie.
That's cool. Yeah, there was a lot of
Hello,
play by connect.
I'm doing fine. Don't mind me, I'm listening to the Flyers game
In the Buffalo zone. Flyers
in the background.
hit to Delory, kept it alive in the corner. Hathaway plays it up top. Your focus hit.
Oh,
Rifles down.
yeah, I can hear that from a distance, man. That's sports announcers. I love those things. Anyways, back on track. We have Philip. We just introduced the females for now. Now moving on to the gentlemen. On the phone side, we have Philip from California, aka Phil. Hey, Phil.
Hey, what's up, JC? What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's having a crazy Wednesday. I'm just currently on my way home. Hope everyone's having a good day.
Yeah, and for once you didn't miss your bus.
Damn. I did earlier.
Oh, okay.
I sort of did. I missed it just before I caught this one.
Oh, well, that's all right. Moving on, we have a book writer extraordinaire, our syndicator extraordinaire, and all-around radio guy, the one who does it all for Super Hit Mix Radio, but for now it's Christmas Party Radio, Donald. Hey, Donald, what's up?
Hey, how y'all doing?
Not bad.
And
we have just before I'll let you get back to everybody, JC, but Leona decided to join us tonight. That Doodles.
Oh, long time no speak. Leona, what happened to you?
It's been crazy. My Alexa being taken away and all that crap. Ugh, drives me nuts.
Oh, wow. Okay. Well, regardless of that, good to have you back. We've missed you these past couple of episodes, and you've been away from us for a while. Dang you. All right. Well, good to have you back, Leona. And let's see. I'm checking to make sure. All right, moving on. We have George. Yeah, I know. I'm getting to you now, George. We have George, who is the funniest guy, and also can sometimes be a doodles, a mad doodles.
Well, no, that's all. Just Doodles. He knows his boss. I'm doing good. Had a little bit of problem with a small seizure, but that's due to new moon. New moons and full moons can cause seizures and stuff like that. So it's an easy night. A lot really small, luckily, so it's all good. There was no cats laying down, so it just happened and passed, and then it's all good. So otherwise, I'm all good.
All right. And last but certainly,
I still announcements also, by the way, and announcements also wouldn't lead to the other announcements. I have two announcements.
Wait, what? Rachel, could you read what he said, because it's too fast. Oh.
He has announcements as well. He's what he was saying.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I couldn't. Yeah. Okay. All right. And last but certainly not least, we have our second in command, our greatest editor on the team, who does a phenomenal job when it comes to editing all the shows. Without a doubt, he is just amazing, and we do respect not just all of y'all, but him specifically on the team. Salvis from Latvia. Hey, Salvis.
Hey, JC. Hey, everyone. Happy to be here.
Yep. And might I say, your editing skills is top notch. Every time I listen to the edits, I just get impressed every time. And like I said before, if you guys want to read the transcript, y'all can do that now on the Apple Podcast app. Just select the transcript, and being that iOS 26.2 is underway and it should be released by next week, there's going to be something new coming to the podcast app, automatic chapters. We'll get to that later when we get into randomness and stuff. So the RC is already out for developers and public beta testers, but it should be available to everyone next week. So just a heads up on that. All right, let me make sure I have everybody. Let's see. Me, Rachel, Donald, George, Leona, Philip, Katie, Nora, and Salvis. Yep, we got everybody. Yay!
Nice.
At long last, I didn't make no mistake at all. Yep. Except for Preston, who is
who is fired. He is fired officially from VisionCast. I am taking his place as head honcho. Yes, Preston is fired.
Oh, he's so fired.
Why is he fired? Is he always late?
Because he always shows up late. He's always late. Always.
We're posing.
Where
hey, let's be shocked. Hey, everyone here.
He's always late.
All right,
Preston can't be fired. He's VP of the night.
Yeah, alongside me.
Damn the hell.
Excuse me.
Impeach him.
All right, so since we've introduced everybody, and I figured that now it would be a perfect time to segue. I don't have any announcements on my end except for one that I've already shared on WhatsApp, which I've already shared in the group chat. You'll hear more about that in a future episode. But for the meantime, does any of y'all have any announcements? I guess I'll start with Rachel first, since Rachel, you are the best, number one. And number two, I give you good credit because you always do good with the announcements anyway. So I'll let the female go first, which is Rachel. I'll let you go first.
Thank you, JC. We actually do have some updates. First and foremost, happy December. I can't believe this year's almost over. This year's gone by so fast. I remember it just seems like yesterday when it was January, and then March, my nephew was born, and then things just accelerated after that. So this year has gone by extremely fast.
It exploded like hotcakes, basically.
Oh, yes, it did, like hotcakes on a griddle, exactly. So we do have several updates. I guess I'll be doing this on behalf because JC, who can't handle conflict because he's too busy being a doodles, and Preston, who's
Hey, come on!
So because,
at least I gave you the microphone for once.
Because those two gentlemen can't get their shit together, that's why George and I are the heads.
If you will take over, you empire. Okay.
No, I'm kidding. Okay. No, but I do have some important updates for everyone. So as I said, happy December and happy holiday season. For this month, because it is the holidays, we only have 3 shows this month. This show, which is recorded on the 3rd, and then we have another taping on the 10th, and then our final taping of the year, our final show of the year, will be recorded on December 17th. There will not be a show on Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve, which are the following Wednesdays after those 3. So for obvious reasons, Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve, we will not have any tapings. We will not have any shows. People have plans for Christmas and New Year's. Even though I will be all by my lonesome this year, that doesn't mean I don't have plans, because I do. And so there will only be 3 shows this month. This one's the first one. And then next week, we will have a double birthday bash for Preston and Brittany. Preston's birthday is coming up on the 7th, and Brittany is... Preston's birthday is coming up on the 7th, and Brittany is the 11th. So we will be celebrating their birthdays. And then finally, our final show of the year is going to be... You know how RCL does their end-of-year review? Well, we're going to be doing that as well. We're going to be doing a Christmas/end-of-year party to basically celebrate Christmas and celebrate the end of the year. We will be playing some holiday performances, but we don't want to do too many, so I don't like limiting people on performances, but this is not your typical performance show. So we will play a few holiday hits, but try not to go too crazy because we have a lot of other things we need to cover for Christmas and the end of the year. If you have any performances you would like played for the holiday special, you can email them to me at rachel@cloud11.net. That's Rachel, RACHEL, at cloud11, KLOUD, the number 11.net. Please have the holiday performances emailed to me no later than the 15th. Also, when we reconvene in January, we have our New Year's special on the 7th. No performances then. We're just going to be celebrating and ringing in the new year. And then on January 14th, we will have our extraordinary, incredible bonanza of a talent show, the VisionCast 2026 Talent Show Extravaganza. That will be on January 14th of 2026. It will be an extended show. I'm expecting a lot of performances that are done either the end of this year or the beginning of January. And please get those into me by January 11th. Same email. So just to rephrase and recap, December only has 3 shows. This show on the 3rd, the birthday bash on the 10th, and our Christmas/end of year party on the 17th. We take off the 24th. We take off the 31st. No shows those days. Come back January 7th for our New Year's special. And January 14th will be our first talent show of the new year. So please mark those dates on your calendar. Remember, for the Christmas special, please send your performances no later than December 15th. For the talent show extravaganza, please send in your performances no later than January 11th. And that's the update.
Now, Rachel, I should have some performances. We'll have those from the new album stuff you're doing, right?
Yes, we are going to be airing some of those come January. Yes.
Okay. How's that going, by the way? Or have you done anything yet? Just out of curiosity.
I have been swamped, so I haven't really had much of a chance, but I'm hoping on getting to work on it soon. I have just been swamped there's just been a lot going on.
And by the time all those episodes are recorded, we will be 324. I just actually calculated while you were sharing, and right now we are recording episode 322. So by the time this episode gets posted, along with the additional ones that Rachel mentioned, we will have already recorded 324 episodes for the remainder of the show alone. And oh man, 324, that's a lot. I mean, we have, you know, goofed off, and we've done so many good things, and it's going to be a lot. And as Rachel said, it's Rachel at cloud11.net. It's not Cloud 11 Studios. It's not Cloud 11 Teams, which I thought it was, but apparently there was some flip-flops and
there was a lot of technical issues with
there was
mail hosting and domains and getting domains to transfer. It was a mess, but it's finally resolved. Finally.
And all the team members have their own email addresses.
Anyone that wants one. We have
anyone, optional,
I know we set one up for George and set one up for Philip. I'm going to set one up for Donald. Anyone else that wants a Cloud11. We do have the Cloud11.team domain. I own both Cloud11.net and Cloud11.team, but I migrated my email over to Google Workspace for my Cloud11.net email address because that's my primary. And for the Cloud11.team, that is, I don't have email hosting on that domain. What I'm doing is email forwarding. So anyone that wants to be, because obviously we obviously have a partnership. You know how RCL and VisionCast are like sisters. Well,
we're sister affiliates.
Same thing. VisionCast and VisionCast. I can't talk. VisionCast.
You can't even talk. Dadgummit.
What's VisionCast?
I don't even know what that is.
VisionCast and Cloud11 are also sister affiliates and sister partners. So we're going to be affiliating and promoting each other. And the Cloud11.team domain is for anyone on VisionCast or Cloud11 that wants a personal .team email address for Cloud11. But the way it works is it will forward to your personal email address. So unlike what I'm doing for my email, because I can't pay for everybody to host actual addresses. Yeah, I can only pay for my hosting. But
you can't pay. It's a lot of money,
mail forwarding is free. So we just create email addresses at cloud11.team, and then we just have those email addresses forward to everyone's personal email address that wants an address. And that way you still have a cloud11.team email, but it'll go to your email, and it's free of charge. The first 20 email forwards are free, and then the others are like $3 a year if you want to buy any additional.
Oh, that's pretty unique. That's pretty unique on that.
But there was a lot of technical issues trying to make providers talk to each other, and just So I apologize for all that. But thanks for all of you sticking with me. But the technical issues have been resolved now. I finally managed to figure it out. So. Yeah.
That's what happens when you run like when you run like a business. You have an email address, and then all of a sudden, boop.
If you did send an email to Rachel at cloud11.team, I would still get it, but it would. I set that up to forward to cloud11.net. So Rachel at cloud11.net is the primary address where you send performances, but I will get them if you send them to cloud11.team. Just know that that's secondary, not primary.
Yeah, I kept the cloud11.net because for
Yeah.
me, I had to delete.
Yeah.
I mean, nothing bad against you, Rachel, but I deleted your contact and put you back on because for some
That's
reason,
fine.
iCloud for some reason showed up your old email, which I don't know why,
Yeah.
but I'll ignore that.
That's fine. It's all
but
good.
either
Don't worry,
case,
JC.
I just put you back in my contact, so no harm, no foul there. I just fixed that. So, all right. So, does anybody else have any announcements on
I know
the radar?
George does.
All right.
I know George does.
Well,
Since Rachel,
ladies first before.
Ladies first. Okay. And
okay. Yeah. I was about to say, let's get to the ladies. Let's continue with the ladies, and then if there's anyone, ladies that don't have any, we'll go to the males.
Katie, Nora, do you guys have anything?
Katie, Nora, do you have anything to announce, or are you guys good?
I'm good, except for one thing. I'll be
What?
singing. Oh yeah, my announcement. I do have one. My announcement. I'll be singing for 4 weeks this month. I'm planning to sing all Christmas songs on karaoke.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
Awesome.
I just started my streak already. I did one this weekend, and then I'm gonna do another one this coming weekend because I've already picked out a song. I was gonna find to see if they had the Tony Bennett version of Winter Wonderland, but they did not have it. So
I have it.
instead, I know, but it needs the metadata, unfortunately. It can't be used.
No, George. What he needs the karaoke version of Tony Bennett's.
Yeah,
Not
with the metadata.
Because
Otherwise, yeah.
If he sings
copyright,
along to
copyright.
Tony Bennett, it's copyright.
Yeah, and plus, But anyways, I do have one in mind, which is Frank Sinatra, who is the best, hands down. Frank Sinatra's version of Santa Claus is Coming to Town, and it's a band. It has the saxophone, and it's like the best one. So I'm gonna do that one this coming weekend, which mostly will be Sunday. I'll probably record it Sunday and get that in. And since Cindy does not have it in the catalog, I figured, hey, why not email 2 files in one go? So I figured I would do that and just email both of the instrumental track to add to the catalog, as well as the recorded audio and stuff like that. But that's cool, Nora, that you're going to be doing those songs, all holiday mode. Is that it?
We have Katie, and we have both.
No. I was checking to see if Nora was done. Are you done, Nora?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. All right.
All right. We have Katie and Leona.
Yeah.
Any of
All
you
right.
two have anything?
Yeah, we'll start with Katie first, and then Leona. Katie, what do you have? What do you have? If there's any announcements.
I don't
She's
think
probably watching or.
she's watching the game. I don't think
Far Cry is. She's Far Cry is.
Although I think she'll
Sorry
miss
about
our
that.
New
No, I
Year's.
don't have any
Oh, there we-
announcements.
okay.
And I'm eating, so if you guys are gonna call for me, it's I'll be back. I can still hear you guys.
Alright.
I'm still listening. I'm just
okay.
eating.
Okay,
Alright.
you're good. Cool. All right, Leona, since you have been patient with us in a good way, and you have not been been with dang, now I can't talk. Dang gummit, you have not been with us in a while. Do you have any announcements to share with the team?
Well, since, I don't know what made me, do this, but I've been listening to this thing every morning, and it's on A&E, and it's really, let me say, it's like a Christian kind of show, and I watch it every morning, and what I've been doing is I've been calling the prayer line so they can pray for me.
Nice, good.
Okay.
Prayer's always good.
Nice.
Nothing wrong with prayers.
Nothing wrong
Heck,
with
even
exactly.
pagans,
Nothing
even
wrong with
pagans do prayers.
yeah.
They'll tie in.
Yeah. That's good that you.
And as long as the
And the Latester just showed up. Yep.
That's great, Leona. And Preston just came in. Hi, Preston. You're fired, by the way.
I know, I saw you.
Preston.
Hello, Nora. Don't mind me.
Hello.
Hey, Leona. Welcome. Don't mind me. I'm just getting Well, I'm not decorating yet, but I'm just getting things ready for my birthday. Which, by the way, folks, next week we're gonna be celebrating. So.
Yep, 2 birthdays in 1.
Yep, we've already announced that. Yep, we've already announced that. Next week is you and Brittany.
Yep, and Friday. Well, actually, it's gonna be somewhat of a busy weekend because I think I might go over to a friend's on Friday because she's gonna make me some spaghetti and we're gonna have some quality hangout time for a few hours. I think I'm gonna go to the brewery because I do have my rewards points to use for my birthday. So maybe I'll go sing sometime on Friday. So I will.
And then go get drunk.
Yeah.
You know what song we should dedicate to Preston? Why don't we get drunk and screw by Jimmy Buffett?
Wait, I
have it.
I think I've heard that one. I think I've heard that one.
So there you go. I'll send it to you. Yeah, I can send it to you. Are you on it? Can you find it?
I'll find it. I'll look for it.
Or you could put it in your next show, George, when you get internet.
Yeah, why not? You know, that's George's late birthday gift to me. Okay, I won't mind it at all.
Why don't we get drunk and screw? That's a funny story because I don't remember doing it, but my mom says the story when she can. I one time in preschool I was singing "Why Don't We Get Drunk and Screw," and the teacher calls my mom and is like, "Hey, Rachel's been singing." Well, she didn't say Rachel because it was my birth name at the time.
Yeah.
Well, you can say
Rachel's been singing. Rachel's been singing "Why Don't We Get Drunk and Screw" by Jimmy Buffett in class. My mom shares that story every once in a while. Apparently, I sang in class. I don't remember doing it, but apparently I did.
Wow,
that is great. Please remind me. When I get the next one to put that in the next show for a person.
George.
George.
That's funny.
Yes.
You're funny.
Be nice.
That's fine. Oh. Yeah, that's like that's a good song.
But
he's actually a very good singer.
Yeah, he was a good singer. So that's good. Yeah. So were you finished, Sweetness, or Leona? Were you finished? Okay, you're done. All right, George. What's your announcement, honey?
All right, I have multiple news things here. First of all, I went to the doctor yesterday, and new doctor, very nice.
On Monday,
yeah, the same views I have. Yeah.
Today's Wednesday.
Yeah, the other Monday. Yeah, same thing. 5 o'clock somewhere. So on Monday, you went to the doctor, and you're not correct me, see. You're not correct me. I'll tell you. No. So I went to the doctor Monday, and 5'2" height was. 184 weight-wise, and all is good. The doctor is the same theory I have: if it's not broke, don't fix it. Medicine-wise, don't raise it, don't adjust it. But she did say I should get a neurologist, just in case, God forbid, I have one hand just in case. And I'm gonna get it right. So that'll be taking place in the year, hopefully. Get a neurologist I am in case, because all we could have backup doctors in case. So that's one part of news. Other part is music stuff. So on the 21st of November, was a new Beatles anthology 4 release, CC's box out. So that'll be featured in new shows coming up in the year. So be on the lookout for that. Very cool. Ethics on that, and very cool. And the first show of the new year, which you've already heard by this point, is a 4-hour-and-a-half show.
Whoa.
Actually, that'd be the second show of the new year because I have the first show of the year. But his first show of the year.
That's great, yeah. And get used to that because I'm going to be doing longer shows when I go back in. So be ready for longer format and longer shows. Maybe at some point I'll do a 6-hour show. Who knows?
Oh, let me see.
So
that'll be possible. I mean, George knows how to work the systems now, so that could be. Before we know it, it might be 24 hours. He'll hijack automation for 24 hours.
I can barely tell. Problem is, I just download that link and download that link would be a largest link. Is it good? I don't know. Is that 5:30 on the show? Could you download that one for me without following?
And I just told everyone after Rachel announced the 3 shows that we'll be doing for this year, after all of them has been recorded, it'll be 324 in total. We're already at 322 because the last one was 321 from last week.
One of them's missing.
Wait, one?
Yeah.
Oh.
It was supposed to be 123 last time. 323, I meant.
Yeah, there's something right. So.
Somewhere around there. I lost track more. I don't.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's all good. It's Eileen. I think New Year, lots of surprises, lots in store on the music side of things, and just keep listening because the show always changes. So you never know what's going to be in the show next. I've made surprises on my half of the show. So just tune in and find out what the surprises are. Yeah. And that's all for me.
And all will be updated on the website too. So just in case if people come across this and if you forgot what we said, just check out hit-mix-radio.com and we will get it up to date for you in plain English.
Awesome. So that's my announcements.
All right. Well, I got a couple and I'll try and make them quick. I can't tell you. Well, I'm still in the process of getting my test link updated. They sent me the wrong link from the one in October, but I've been in communication with the support team at my ODP. So we're getting the link fixed. So I'll be working on the test hopefully shortly. And I got the rest of my statements and stuff sent to the Housing Authority via email. So they called me today saying, well, if you want to pick up your voucher, you can do it tomorrow, or better yet, we can mail it and email it to you. And because I'm going to be talking to some local realtors to see if they can help me find anything. And one of the reps from their authority will help me. I just need to sign a release to have their consent to do that, basically. So the voucher will be coming definitely, I guess, this month. And I'll be getting my own unit definitely during next year. So that's where we're at. And a job will be lined up definitely this month, if not sooner. And also, in other news, we did get our 2025 Spotify for Creators Wrapped summaries released for all the podcasts that I help out with. So you'll be able to check them out on our show out on Facebook in the email list. We will review the summary on a future Vision Cast show.
Awesome.
And then let's see how that summary's been released. And we talked about how a station's sports play-by-play got hacked, but Barry fixed that. And we did sprinkle in some Christmas music and some other favorites. And our last show of the year is going to be December 15th. And then we'll be taking 2-week vacation, then we'll be back, I think, the 5th. I asked Alexa earlier. She said Monday, January 5th. So.
Nice.
But yeah, lots of good things on the way. And I'm already working on a Christmas list.
Awesome.
Well, the birthday, I figured it out. So I can tell you Sunday, my mom, I invited her, my brother, to our Lions Club holiday tree lighting with story time from one of the library kids leaders. And then we're gonna do some. I told her I want her to make some rigatoni and meatballs, kind of like what we did last year. So that's gonna be that. And I'll do an ice cream cake. And for dessert, definitely, I did ask for more Uber and Lyft gift cards, and maybe some more cologne. And I'm sure there'll be other surprises.
Women, right? For ladies, right?
Yes.
Of course.
That's all I get every Christmas is more cologne to add my collection, my stash.
Yep, nice.
But yeah,
because he wants to impress me, right, Preston?
Yeah, that's right.
Who again now? Who?
I want to impress Rachel. Which, by the way, folks, I did record a little promo for Music Mayhem recently.
Yeah, very nice, very well done. Both you really recorded spots for the show, so that's pretty awesome.
And I think I'll do one for Well, actually, I will do one for Cloud 11 when she gets that up there.
Yeah, before.
I'm already thinking about the script.
Pretty cool.
This holiday, Mom uses Chewy to save up to 40% on gifts at Hunter.
QVC. Yeah. That's a good analogy. QVC.
Not me. I just got done posting. I just got done posting a comment on a really cool AI assistant that I'm testing out.
Oh, cool. Nice.
And it's a web-based, and if you guys are done, I'll tell you about it. And since this is a normal episode,
is it the same,
Rachel, do you mind? Oops, sorry.
I was going to ask you, JC, is that the same thing that you used to demo on the bonus?
No, it's actually web-based. It's not like an app. It's a web-based.
Wow.
It can be run in a browser, Safari, Google Chrome.
So I could even use it on my phone if I wanted?
Yep.
Since it's web-based?
It's universal. Yep. You can use it on your Android, iPhone, computer.
Yeah. Well, I mean, this is going to be our last normal show of the year, so you might as well do a
why
demo.
not? All right, let me start it and I'll demo it.
But before you start it, let's make sure nobody else has any other announcements.
Right. Okay, check that first and then let me know.
Some TV in the background. I'm not sure whose TV it is. There's a TV on the background. Might be a little bit.
That's not mine.
I'm not sure whose TV on.
Leona, is that your... I don't know if she can mute on the Alexa, unfortunately.
I think
I don't hear it.
Hopefully.
I don't hear it very much, George. It's very faint.
No. All right.
I do hear it a little, but it's not too obtrusive.
Yeah, just make sure there wouldn't be a problem with uploading stuff.
Yeah. I think it is Leona's TV. I don't know if there's a way to mute on the echo. Oh, now I do hear it more.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
If I had hosting powers, I would have muted, but I don't have.
No, well, I could mute her, but the thing is, then she wouldn't be able to unmute because she calls on
Does she have the Echo Dot?
Yeah. I'm not sure. I'm actually not sure if she has.
It's an echo, but you can't press. Actually, I might be able to say, Lady A, press star 6.
Or just mean TV. That'd be better.
Or you could hit the mute button on the device itself if it has a mute button.
Echo, stop!
Microphone.
I wasn't talking to you.
Oh no!
No, it's okay.
All the devices.
Okay. Does anyone have any other announcements before JC does his demo? Any other announcements from anyone? Nope. Okay, well, we're good.
I'm hearing no.
I have yours.
Oh,
what's that?
Okay, Donald and Donald.
I just want to say that I'm going to try to update the station's website to where it's mobile friendly. Because right now it's based off of standard it's just a standard site. So I'm not making any changes as far as the content goes. I'm going to have ChatGPT go in and update just the code for the site and make it to where it's mobile friendly.
Oh.
All right. That's some good news.
Awesome.
Okay. All right.
It's not enough, so I'm not sure if that's for me that's enough to sound, so. All right, sound like, yay. Good.
All right.
Good, you see.
JC? Mike, all yours.
So there's been a lot of AI apps out there, but when I heard about this on AppleVis, which is the go-to, it's not just for like Apple products, but they also expanded it to include like Android and other operating systems as well to make it universal. So this gentleman in Canada, yes, he's in Canada, so the difference is Canadian dollars and all that. He has created a web-based app that is universal and uses your default choice of voice, and it is free for now. It is free with a 1 month trial, but you can pay when the trial is over, which will be next year. It is optional. I did tell him to make it optional because, let's face it, not a lot of people don't have enough money to afford a subscription, and we want to, they want to keep the cost down and stuff like that. So this is called Vision AI Assistant, and it's a web-based app, meaning you don't have to load a separate app. You don't have to sideload it on your phone. You can use it from any phone. You can use it from your Android, iPhone, iPad, Mac, Windows PC, and it absolutely works. Now, I just signed up for it. As of today, I just signed up for it, and all I did was I linked my Google account with it. So all I have to do is just log into Google, and it will. And you can even create a voice bio, which is really cool. And I'll demonstrate that if if a computer doesn't act funky, I'll demonstrate that. But I'm going to start screen share now.
Zoom share toolbar window.
Okay,
Zoom.
there we go.
Zoom.
So I'm going to go to the website, and it is visionaiassistant.com. So that's all words with no space. So it's visionaiassistant.com.
HTTPS.
I'll put a link in both the mailing list and WhatsApp so you guys can sign up for yourself and try it out. Probably before the weekend, I'll send it out at ASAP. But
Safari untitled window.
When I publish it.
AI Vision Assistant is low.
Oh, there it is.
And it already remembers me because I just signed in. So if I were to clear my history, I would have signed back in. But since it already recognizes me, it does an intro beep. So when I signed in, I had to go through permissions and yada yada. I won't go through that because I've already gone through it. But if you sign up for the first time, you'll have to verify not verify, but you'll have to verify the terms and conditions and the microphone, camera, yada yada. But once that's done, everything is all set and ready to go. And the coolest thing about it is it has, I'll show you.
Welcome to AI Vision Assistant Home Main.
So it says AI Vision Assistant Home. That's the basic home screen. So you have camera. You can use your camera.
Choose a feature to get started.
So it says choose a feature. So I'll show you all the features that it has. So it has
open settings page. Start AI Vision.
Settings. I'll talk about that later.
Start AI Vision camera mode with voice commands.
AI Vision camera mode with voice commands. You can issue commands on this thing.
Magnifying glass explore 2 items.
Explore.
Photo Explorer. Feel photos by touch with haptic feedback. Photo Explorer. Feel photos by touch with haptic feedback and spatial audio.
So that's cool. AI Photo Explorer. You can explore with tactile feedback and spatial audio, which is cool. I haven't tried that, but I know it's very cool.
AI Image Explorer. Generate AI images from text and explore them by touch. Alpha
AI
testing
Image
feature.
Explorer. I think they said experimental. Yeah, I think experimental.
AI Mirror. Live appearance check. See how you look right now. Alpha testing feature.
AI Mirror, which means it will actually let you know how good you're looking on camera, which is really cool. It'll tell you if your makeup's on or if you're facing really well. I haven't tried it, but it's a test alpha feature, which is currently under development. But it can update. The nice thing is that it updates in the cloud automatically. So if anything gets pushed out, he doesn't have to worry about sending it to the App Store or Google Play Store or whatever. It just works natively. It's a native app on the web, so you can just
Live Camera Explorer. Drag to explore what the camera sees in real time. Alpha testing feature.
So you can explore what the camera sees.
Maps. Download offline maps and navigate with tactile exploration. Alpha testing feature 360 degrees maps. Explore 3D audio maps created by the community. Alpha testing feature
maps.
Silhouette of 2 people social 2 items.
Social. Now we have social.
Social hub.
And yes, it does have a social hub integrated, so you can chat, you can send instant message. I have not asked about the voice message, but hoping that they add a
social hub
voice message feature soon. But for right now, you can just text a user, kind of like what you do in WhatsApp and iMessage.
Hammer and wrench tools, 2 items.
And then there's tools.
AI chat. Have a conversation with AI assistant about anything.
So you can have a chat with an AI assistant about anything, much like you can do with ChatGPT, Google Gemini.
Book reader. Read physical books with gesture controls and progress saving. Alpha testing feature.
Book reader. You can read physical books and things like that. And it uses he integrated the 11 Labs AI voices. So now you can use 11 Labs integrated. Google Gemini, he's going to integrate that. I suggested to him put the Google Gemini as well, so that we can have a variety of voice options in addition to having the 11 labs, because we want all variety in this. So
document reader,
document
read text,
reader,
fill forms, and make PDFs accessible. Alpha testing feature.
Read like the regular document reader.
Web browser. Browse any website with full accessibility features. Alpha testing feature.
Web browser. Oh, I'm willing to test that out. That's a web browser. And yes, you can. It does have a web browsing feature, so I'll load that in a second. I'll show you how that works. The thing is, it has a built-in screen reader, so if you use VoiceOver or TalkBack, you'll have to disable that when you use the web portal. Otherwise, you'll hear two things talking at the same time, which you don't want. So
speech bubble support, 2 items.
Support.
Contact developer. Message the developer directly for help and feedback.
You can message the developer for help and feedback. I have not done that yet, but if there's any bugs, I'll let the developer know. And he's very responsive, actually. So if he finds any bugs, he's really quick at resolving it. And it's all in the cloud, so he doesn't have to worry about processing the next update. It is all happening, and you'll get announcements when new features roll out. And before you get into the home screen, it'll display like a message. Like when I logged in, it said, we now have a phone number where you can call them for support. So it displayed the number that you can call for.
End of AI Vision Assistant. Speed web doc book AI hammer and wrench.
I won't demonstrate all the features because that'll take a while.
Live Camera Explorer. Drag to explore.
Live Camera Explorer, I can't demonstrate that because it requires it does have camera access, but it's going to take a while because sometimes it takes a while for it to. But I will demonstrate the web browser.
Maps, 300, silhouette of social hub, camera and AI book reader, document reader, web browser. Browse any web button.
Opening accessible web browser.
Okay, so it's loading. Takes a second to load the web browser. So in this case, when it's
back to searcher, you search. Start voice search.
So I'm going to
search.
Start
voice search.
So I'm going to go to, let's go to visioncast.network. Cool enough, we can visit the main page and see if that works. Let's see.
Start voice search. Search your URL input. Search the web or enter URL.
Oh, I didn't enter it. Okay, let me type that.
And we have Brittany, by the way, guys.
Network.
Hello. Welcome.
KROW.
Okay, now.
Hey, everyone.
Hey, Brittany.
Yeah. Hello, Brittany.
Hey.
What's up? How are you?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
Good. We're just in time for a brand new screen reader demonstration.
It's actually a web-based, and it has a screen reader integrated. It's called Vision AI Assistant, and it's a web-based app. It's not a app that does this. So I got the visioncast.network site input. I just have to press return to load.
Searching for Visioncast Network.
So it's searching.
Found 8 results. Hover or drag to explore.
Okay, so it says hover or drag, but I can hit the arrow keys.
Enter URL.
Okay,
go to start voice search. Go to URL, start new search. Computer search results. Result 1. Result 2. Result 1. Visioncast Network podcast. Visioncast Network is a podcast dedicated to the new axial age, focusing on intention, collaboration, and technology in service to humanity. Recent episodes include discussions on storytelling, quantum healing, and lifestyle changes. Result 2. Visioncast relaunch and rebranding party. An episode marking the relaunch and rebranding. Result 1.
It is. So it displayed the results, and it has
result 3. Visioncast Studios. Visioncast Studios. Result 1. Visioncast Network podcast.
Loading https://visioncast-network.onpodcastday.com/inaccessible
computer mouse right click visioncast network is a
Visioncast Network is a podcast series dedicated to the new axial age, focusing on intention, collaboration, and technology in service to humanity. Hosted by Christian Raphael. The series features insightful conversations with various guests, exploring topics such as storytelling, health, and personal transformation. 6 sections, 3 links,
okay, so
2 images ready to explore.
That was not the website.
Voiceover on Safari.
But it loaded it, and it actually beeped. The reason why it beeped is because I went back and
AI camera. Choose open start AI magnet photo AI mid live cam maps. 3 hunt silhouette social camera and AI chat book reader. Read physical books document reader. Read
the AI chat?
Yeah, with the 11 Labs voices.
Okay, let me. I don't have a book to read, but I'll load the document reader. It'll work with that as well. So let me load that up.
No, he was asking about the AI chat, JC.
Okay, that. Okay, I'll fire that up. Let me. I was demonstrating the web browser.
Book reader, AI chat. Have a conversation with AI.
Opening AI chat assistant.
Yeah, have a conversation with AI. There it is.
Yep.
Back to AI 0 clear chat history.
So it says
start a conversation.
Start.
I understand context, emotions, and electric light bulb handshake, emotional support and empathy, brain contact, wheelchair chat send message, chat message input, type your message. I understand context and emotions.
How are you doing? I'm with the Vision Cast team. Can you provide a greeting to the team and listeners? Okay, it's processing it now. I just hit enter to see if it
send message.
Oh,
dimmed.
Okay, it's still processing.
Chat mess. Hello, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. To everyone in the VisionCast team and listeners, I extend a warm greeting. It's wonderful to connect with you all, and I hope you're having a great day filled with inspiration and engaging discussions.
Okay, not bad. It doesn't read it though.
Hello. Clear chat 1 messages.
So you can clear the
chat history
through there.
Cancel.
I'm gonna clear
okay.
it.
Clear all chat history. This cannot cancel. Clear all cancel. Okay. Clear chat history.
There it goes.
0 met AI chat.
So I'm going to
press F key back to camera. AI vision assistant is loading.
So it does that beep. It lets you know that you're going back to the previous screen there. Let's see.
Welcome AI camera. Choose a open settings. Start AI vision. Open settings page.
I'll open settings so I can show you what's in there. Settings.
Back to view pro settings.
So you can create a profile. And you do have to create it when you sign in. So as an example, if any of you wanted to create a profile, and you can link it with your Google account as well. So you don't have to use your username and password. You can just log in with your existing Google account, and then you have about 90 days to change your username. If you don't like it, you'll have to wait 90 days afterwards to change it, but I already selected
settings,
mine.
Profile and account. Name, AI behavior. Modes, scanning, detail level,
behavior,
voice and speech,
voice
speed,
and speech.
button.
Voice settings.
So that's the default voice.
Back, voice and voice 1.
And you
fast the AI speaks, 0.5 voice pitch, 1x1.
Pitch.
Adjust filter by all voices.
You have
filter voices by gender
voices.
preference, all voices. List box. All male voices. Female voices. Female voices. All voices.
All voices.
Male voice, female voices.
You have
filter voice, all voice, filter search voices. Search by name clear.
I'm going to
voice selection, 102 voices.
102 voices. I have like 102 to
System default voice selection. Choose from 100 test voice with custom voice sample, experimental.
And this is cool. This is custom voice sample experimental. So you can create a clone of your voice and you can use it with the AI assistant. So if you say want to use a clone of someone else's voice, you can actually either record or upload a sample and then it will be used for the
record
AI
or upload your voice for future voice cloning features. Requires 5-10 seconds of clear speech.
And it requires 5-10 seconds of
custom test voice. Choose from 100 system default. Choose from system default voice selection. 100 some Al Butchel Fred Good Jess Jr. Kathy Organ Soup Ralph Trino Wisp Zarv Dan Rishi Dan Care Moyer Rishi Tessa Alice Alva Anna Carmet Illinois language.
No.
Damayanti, Id Daria, Iona, Joe Kakaya, Lon, Laura, Lek, Les, Lynn, Lucy, Match, Tuned, Maiji, Melina, Monique, Nora, NB No language. Paulina, SMX, LU, Alec, Nora, Paulina, Sarah, Dadi, Sassin, Pia, Billion in language. Nora, Toon, Matt, Lucy, Soup, Organ, Kathy, Junior, Jester, Good News, Fred, Wobble, Cellos, Wobble, Cello, Bub, Boing, Bells, Bob, Baden, Albert, Samantha, NUS language, system default. System default, voice selection. Choose from one test voice with current settings.
This is how I will sound with these settings. I am your personalized AI assistant.
Custom voice sound recorder upload on continuous listening. Always listen for voice commands.
Listening, so you can listen. I have it listen for voice commands, even if you don't want to press the key.
Save changes. Save changes. Press F key back. Voice and back. Button. Back to view pro settings. Settings profile AI voice and language announcements. What gets auto announced?
What gets auto announced?
Open announcement settings.
Back to announcement. Live AI voice AI commands. List 5 items.
AI commands.
Bullet ask what's in front of me. Bullet safe. Bullet at end of list.
So
bullet ask what color is this? List 5 items. Voice AI the live AI announcements. Back to settings.
Returning
Button.
to settings.
Back to camera. Press F key or back to AI vision assistant is loading.
So it loaded.
Welcome AI cam. Choose a feature. Open settings. Start AI vision camera mode with voice commands.
Okay, so I'm gonna try this.
Welcome to AI Vision Assistant. User notification center is not current tab started capturing video.
Descriptions.
Allow.
Allow
Safari
this.
AI and Assistant. Window. Welcome to AI current tab started capturing.
What's in front of me?
You were.
Okay.
Open settings page. Return to processing. Welcome to AI Vision.
Okay, it's processing, but it lost the...
AI Vision Assistant, real-time accessible, open settings page. Welcome to AI Vision, real-time accessible, open settings page. Return to processing. Welcome to AI Vision Assistant, real-time accessibility.
I can see a blurred figure, potentially a person, but the details are hard to discern due to the lighting. There are indistinct shapes, possibly walls or furniture in the background, but it's difficult to identify specific features or colors. If you're looking for something specific, please provide more context so I can assist you better.
AI Vision, welcome to press
Wow.
AI real-time access open settings page.
What am I... Cancel. Gosh, isn't it?
Oops.
Real-time AI, welcome to AI, press F key or click to welcome to AI Vision Assistant.
Making it difficult to discern specific
AI Vision real opens return ready. Return to home screen and stop. Welcome to AI Vision Assistant.
I like those cool beeps that it indicates that it,
That's cool.
Current tab start AI Vision as choose a feature open. Welcome to AI Vision as camera.
Oh, it's still capturing.
Open settings start AI magnifying photo explorer. AI image welcome to AI Vision Assistant home main camera. Use of open start AI Vision cam magnifying glass photo explorer. AI image explorer. Generate AI images from text. Explore them by touch. Alpha testing feature.
So these are alpha testing related features. All the other ones, like the AI, the document reader, all these other ones, let's see,
maps,
document,
social camera and AI chat book read document read welcome to AI Vision Assistant. AI image and close end of band close AI image generator. Welcome to AI Vision Assistant. Page loaded successfully. Navigate through available features below. Choose of open set start AI voice AI heading explore photo explorer. Photo Explorer. Reload page. Current tab. Stop capturing sound.
Oh, there it goes. Okay, you should be going back to...
Choose a feed. Open settings. Start AI magnet photo.
I'm gonna go to...
AI near live cam maps. Free silhouette of social camera. AI book reader. Document reader. Button.
Document reader.
Document Supreme OCR engine. Extract text handles handwritten handwriting. Low contour fine print. Multi-lang upload document for take high resolution. Sparkle Supreme 99.9% AC handwriting red. Low contrast small text layout preserve multi-lang quality form intelligence. Auto detects fillable fields. Press F key or click to end. Back to camera. AI Vision Assistant is...
It has other features too, so
cool, nice.
That in a nutshell is a demo of that. There's a lot of others, but if you want to check that out, you can go to
Zoom.
Vision. Let me stop the screen share. You can go to the visionaiassistant.com. I'll put the link in the what I'll do, Preston, is before you submit the description, I'll I'll send you check out the website, and then I'll put the website there so you can add that in the description.
Yeah, I was gonna
So
say.
anyone wants to check that out.
Yeah, cause I was gonna say I was gonna add it to the show notes. That way, people can add it, and then of course we'll cross share it on our social media and email. So people will.
And the reason why I couldn't hear it was because I know you guys heard it, but the reason why I couldn't hear it was because it captured the audio on my end, kind of ducked out, and because I was using screen share.
I heard it.
Okay.
Yeah,
it was very, like I said, it is experimental. All the features are experimental. Like I said, there is a subscription fee, and it's only $9. $9, which is actually $10, which is not that bad for a price for the subscription. But I basically told him, not a lot of people can't afford money to buy a subscription and then use it for whatever, and just.
But they need money, JC. You can't just. You can't just expect people to dish things out for free just because you're blind. That's kind of. I mean, you can't expect that.
The way Jaws does it is highly. Jaws is a different sort of kids.
Yeah, Jaws. They should take their prices down a little.
I agree.
I'm almost home.
Okay.
Nice.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'm almost home. I just got to walk another couple of blocks away. Nice.
Well, Phil, be careful and watch out for those idiots on the highway. You know how they get it this time of day.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're right. You're absolutely right, Preston.
I'm telling you also.
I'm glad I'm not on the highway. Jimmy, Christmases.
It's a BMS. I think Preston, me and you should drive. We think we should drive. We should have a nice big car and drive, we think.
Yeah, you know what? If somebody could invent me a Waymo, then I will take up on that offer.
And you just grab a wheel and just drive. Don't mind.
Preston, they are making those self-drivable cars.
I'm aware of that. They sponsored the Stick Convention. They're one of our sponsors for the Stick Convention this year, actually. Waymo was.
It's always going that. It's cool.
I like it. Can't wait to get my hands on a Waymo. I will come and visit Rachel.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be
visit Rachel, but
that would be a long road trip, Preston, all the way from Pennsylvania all the way to, hopefully one day we'll be in Arizona. It's going to be a long road trip.
Oh,
well, you don't live far by me, Preston, so you can always come and visit me.
Yeah, quite a few hours, but I'll figure it out. At some point, they'll be doable in every state, because right now they're only in selected cities.
Yeah, so they'll be kind of, in the future.
Yes.
So, so that's, yes, like I said, that was a really really impressive one. Like I said, it is experimental. I just signed up for it, and I'm, using most of the features. Like I said, they haven't integrated the Google Voices, but the 11 Labs Voices are integrated. So if you have a book and you want to have it read with the 11 Labs Voices, you can do that, and it also has your default voice as well. The other voice, and the Waymo car is really cool. I heard a demo of the Waymo car. I haven't drove one, but
wow.
So let's go around the room and ask how everybody's week has been so far. Let's start with let's go with Rachel first. Rachel, how has your week been?
It's been hectic. It's been technical issues right and left, but it's also been a good week.
Okay, that's cool. All right, let's do Leona.
Females? Yeah, the one female. So is she there?
Yona.
Let me check.
I think you got a while back, I think. Leona, dear. Leona Sweetness, you still up?
Oh, I think Leona dropped out.
Yeah, I thought so a while back.
Rats. All right, well, let's go to Nora then.
Yep. Hi, everyone. I've been doing great. Feeling fine and a wonderful week. And hopefully I'll be going back to my church this Sunday, I hope. And my announcement is I'm going to be singing in the church Christmas program, singing and playing the piano in the program on the 21st, I think. So that would be great. Yep.
Awesome. Katie, she's outside.
Yeah, Katie, let's do Katie next.
I think she says she emailed. I'm not sure if she's there or not. She says she
Being secrets though, and that's the.
Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. I was paying attention to the Flyers game. Like I said, don't mind me. I'm listening to the Flyers game, but my week was
that's what they're
fine.
I think they stopped the play because he went down like that.
Fine. It was great. Didn't do too much other than went down to my mom's for the weekend for Thanksgiving.
Nice.
Come right off, okay, Sean?
All right. Very good.
So,
He does.
that was an awesome time.
Let's see if he makes his way to the bench at 6.
Don't see my mom that often, so.
Take it back into the own zone. Secrets back
That's
out of
always
the
good.
Here's Sanheim.
Because we never know when they'll be around for many more times left, so it's always good to do that.
To the point.
Yeah, I always, text her, call her, check up on her.
Centering pass all on in front. And the net from the side.
Get that in. Oh, that's your good way to shove up there. Snap your ass off.
Wow, Don's pretty happy about that goal.
Good grief, man.
Sorry about that. Let's get into the game.
So it's what, the Panthers and the Flyers? So is it the Panthers and the Flyers? I couldn't tell you.
No, it's the Flyers and the Sabres.
Oh.
Buffalo.
I thought it was
Buffalo. Okay, it's going to be a good game then.
Boring.
Hockey ain't boring.
My lead pastor for my church is a Kansas City Chiefs fan. Hey, don't boo the Chiefs. The Chiefs rule.
No, they don't.
Why are you saying
that? The Chiefs are my division. The Chiefs are my division. Of course I have to boo them. Well, so your division sucks right now. It really sucks. So. Shut it, George! Shut it! We're having a bad year! Yeah, Hart will play us new. That's always the case. Next season, too.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Brittany, how's your week?
It is.
How was your week, Brittany? How was your week, Brittany?
Oh, my week has been okay. I've just been watching my show called Force, and I've been trying to plan my birthday this week. Well, my birthday is next week, but I'm trying to plan it for next week. So that's been kind of fun.
Well,
yeah.
Brittany, I hope you know we're going to be celebrating next week, so get ready. I don't know what they have up. I don't know what they have up our sleeves yet for you and me, but we'll figure it out.
Yeah, we're celebrating 2 birthdays. We're celebrating 2 birthdays next week.
Whose birthday is it next week?
Preston.
Mine's this upcoming Sunday. Well, from recording.
Preston's is the 7th.
This Sunday?
You guys are 7 and 11. 7-11.
Oh, that's cool.
So we're celebrating both.
Yeah,
But we're not celebrating Preston because he's fired. We're just saying that just to be nice.
Yeah, he's fired.
By the time I upload this episode, I'm probably gonna be celebrating already. So.
Yeah, of course.
I'm gonna be drunk faced with a sub and a wine cooler. So
that's my boy.
No drinking allowed.
Why is that for no drinking?
Because drinking leads to being a fool. So no drinking.
Oh, dang.
I'm not a fool.
You will be a fool if you drink.
The more you drink, the better you sing.
Oh,
there you go.
Dang.
Not when it comes to alcohol.
I should. That's the case. I should.
Alcohol is banned. I'm banning it.
Oh, cool.
Especially for Philip, since he stood me up.
Well, I know fun.
And Philip is not allowed to watch sports for a year. It is so ordered in the court of Rachel. No sports allowed for Philip. And big ol' hunk of Lulu's in the studio. Hi, Lulu. Hi, Lulu.
Oh, Lulu.
And in the court of Rachel, I hereby declare that George is banned from watching WrestleMania indefinitely.
Well, Katie, watch them every week in January.
No WrestleMania indefinitely until I decide.
Well, screw you.
Also, he will not be allowed to watch any wrestling of any kind. It is so by ordered. Unless he teases Philip and gives him hell for standing me up last night. Then he'll be allowed.
Yay.
Oh, come on.
Really?
Tease him on the show for standing me up, and your bans will be lifted. George.
I'll say as much. The Raiders for the next 20 years will have horrible seasons.
Oh.
And horrible quarterbacks. So.
He ain't wrong with that one. We do have a horrible quarterback. He ain't wrong.
For the next 20 years, you have it. No, actually, maybe 40 years. 40 years of horrible quarterbacks. And bad draft picks and bad decisions and new titles for the next 40 years. And
George,
of course.
If you tease him publicly,
you're drawing the line there, buddy. You're drawing the line.
My line's in your line.
If you tease him publicly for standing me up last night, then you're not Doodles and you're off the hook.
You mean like he's Doodles for that? He's Doodles for falling asleep? Falling asleep as Doodles? I'm gonna go all on that. If it's a Raiders game, he'll be wide awake. If it's a date.
Yeah, he's always awake. He's always awake when it's about his damn Dodgers or Raiders. But when it comes to me, it's like he doesn't care.
It's like boring.
I love my sweetest Rachel.
Magic cards too. Magic cards.
Oh fuck! Wait. That's what.
Do we have a song?
That's it. That's it, George. That's it.
I know we have most of the songs. We do have a song I made from Bill. Kind of be a nice little.
I could play it.
Yeah, or it fits the time.
Yeah, you know what? I will play it. Because he stood me up. So sorry, Phil. No protection this time. Because here's the thing. I told him what he needed to do to make it up to me, and he hasn't done it yet.
He won't.
He should have done it before the show.
I tried this one time. Once one of us back up, I tried to that record fee once the internet's back up. It really does suck with the internet. It does suck. It's like this new echo device, and I'm thinking, like, this is, strange. We should play the song now, I think. We should play the song, definitely.
I agree.
Oh, also, when I get some more time, I'm going to get the student upgrade in the very near future.
I I hate you. I love George, but I was like, please don't. Please don't.
Play the song.
Don't play it. Don't play it.
If you hadn't stood me up
please don't play it.
If you hadn't stood me up last night, you might have had some grace.
But.
No buts. No buts. Unless you have 2 seconds to be a daredevil on the show. And if you don't come up with anything in 2 seconds, I'm playing it.
I love my tears, George. I love my tears, Rachel. I love all of these. I love all of these.
I detect fakery. Fakery alert. Fakery. Fakery.
Oh no. Oh boy.
Playing the song in 3, 2.
Uh-oh.
Guess what?
I love all of these.
Oh, wrong one. That's from audio from Little Guy.
Oh. So cute.
Hey, are you gonna play?
Oh, that's a good way to lead into the segment.
Yeah, you know what? I'll tell you what. Let's torture Philip, and then I'll play the audio I did with Little Guy. Torturing Philip now.
How many do you have? How many do you have that we could fill up that slot before we do our shouts? How many you have? Just curious.
I'm gonna play. I have 2 recordings.
Okay, we'll do it after this one.
I do love my sweetest dearest Rachel, who's the best, most amazing girlfriend ever. I love my Rachel. George is a big fat doodle butt. I was going to say he's my dearest boyfriend, but, well, that's now out of the bag.
Well,
Thank God.
not when you stand me up. Now let's torture Phil.
You fell asleep too. We both did.
Oh, he was in bed, magic cards, forcing his head, really, so deep, did not hear the clock. He was fast asleep, so we sing the song.
Maybe next time you won't stand me up on dates.
Take that, Bill.
Yeah, take on.
Thanks.
Welcome.
Now, I will play 2 clips of Little Guy, and then we got to get to our shout-outs.
Okay.
These are the clips I recorded yesterday afternoon while I was watching him. So hopefully you'll like these.
Guess what time it is, little guy? It's time to go climb aboard. All aboard the Rachel Express. Where's little guy? Bouncing in the air. Ready, ready, ready. Aunt Rachel needs to relax for a moment, little guy. I need to relax, my guy. Whoa, you're a squirmy little thing. You're a squirmy little thing, my guy. Whew. Forget doing the treadmill. All I have to do is use this little guy as weightlifting, and I get my exercise for the day. Forget the treadmill. All I have to do is just grab this little guy and yeah, forget the treadmill, huh, Aunt Rachel? Forget the treadmill, huh? Whoa, 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 don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. Okay. You wanna go play in your bedroom with your toys? Yeah, you're a squirmy little guy. You got places to go, people to see. Yeah. Say, yeah, Aunt Rachel, I don't want to go to sleep. Sleep? What's sleep? I got places to go, people to see, and things to do. Huh, baby David? Now, what's this sleep business, Aunt Rachel? What's this sleep business, huh? What's this sleep business? I don't know what sleep is. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, you want to play with the phone, huh? All right, well, let's go in your bedroom and play a little bit. I'm going to turn on the light so we can see better. Nope. Careful. All right, we're going to close the door. That way you don't escape. And go down the stairs and take a tumble.
Oh, wow, that was cute. I remember when my brother was that little.
That is so cute.
He's adorable, honey. Yeah, please send me, I'll wait on the inside when that's like up to me.
I will put him in Dropbox. I will put him in Dropbox. I was gonna send him to you yesterday, but I had to fix my Dropbox because it was still on Crazy Stacy 25, and I had to fix it.
Once you're back up, I know.
This morning it's fixed. So.
Oh, thank you for reminding me, Rachel. I still need to change your name in my Dropbox.
Yes, and Preston, you know, you can get rid of all those other emails. You just need one email now.
Oh, yeah, I know. I will. I have it saved.
Right. Here is the last one I did yesterday. Yep. Here's the last one I did with Little Guy.
Hey, little guy, you know what time it is? It's time to spin the wheel. You want to spin the wheel?
The wheel of Rachel.
Spin it, little guy. You gotta give it a bigger spin like this. Oh, it landed on a trip to Vegas. Oh, mommy and daddy will love you.
Yeah, trip to Vegas for the little guy. All right, spin. Oh my goodness! You want a trip to Tokyo! Man, I'm so jealous. A trip to Tokyo. What the heck? Spin the wheel again. Careful, little guy. Oh, a cruise in the Bahamas. Nice.
Hey, I want that.
Man, you're winning all kinds of surprises, my guy. Just don't hit a whammy. Don't hit a whammy. Because if you hit a whammy, you lose them all. Spin it like that. Oh! A trip to Wales. Oh, I would love to see that. Well, maybe we should press our luck, or should we take our trips, huh? Press the bell if you want to take your money. Press the bell if you want to take your money. You want to spin again? Okay, let's cash out and take the money. There we go. Good boy. Cash out and take the money. Take the money and run, huh? You don't want to win a whammy. That'd be bad. Whammies are bad. You made a good decision. Oh, careful. Careful. You go play with your piano some more? Here comes a little guy. He's crawling really fast. Here he comes. There you go.
Maria drove over cute.
Wow, that was awesome.
Oh, yeah.
He's getting big.
Let's take him.
Go ahead.
Let's
Yep,
take him
and tomorrow.
back.
Yeah, tomorrow he'll be turning 9 months.
Wow.
Amazing.
My. Yeah.
9 months old tomorrow.
Wow.
As to quote Madison, 9 months in and 9 months out.
Right.
Ooh, yeah. We didn't get a time
okay.
go.
Very good quote. It's what it means. I'm not sure what it means. To clarify.
I know what it means. 9 months in the womb.
I don't. I know what it means. You know, that's not what it means at all.
George, stop it.
Yeah.
Quit, George. You know what it means. Shut up.
No, he's adorable. He's awesome. Though. He's adorable. He really is.
Yeah.
He's really cute.
Yeah, he's a cutie.
Time flies, isn't it?
It's 9:39.
Yep, I was just about to say, let's do our shout-outs. JC, you want to go first? That way I'll take over and finish hosting and recording and all that.
I'll do that.
Quack.
George!
I like that. Shout out to the entire VisionCast team. Thank you so much, as always, for putting on a great show as usual. Shout out to everyone else, all the listeners, those that have been listening on our A-Lady Skill, YouTube, and other platforms. Thank you so much. To Rachel, who is the best at not only hosting, but doing some moderating and other duties. And all of the above, so thank you for that.
But not producing or editing, I see.
I'm producing and editing too. Yeah,
I'm giving you crap.
I know. I just said producing and editing, so that's all I did. And while you guys were chatting a minute ago, I just sent the link out to the website I demoed for you all to check out privately. I did send out the link.
Yeah, I just signed up, actually.
Nice. You're on the same boat as me. If you have a username, just message it to me, and I'll be happy to add you because it has a social media.
I signed up while you were doing the demo. Yeah, I'll message it to you.
Okay, and then if it doesn't let me follow, I think there's an error on their part. I'll let the developers know and see if that's a bug, and if it is, they'll replicate it quickly. But hopefully it's not. It's just a bug. That happens all the time when I hit that. I was trying to follow the developer, but it's
You mean they'll rectify it quickly?
They won't
replicate it. Replicating it means they'll produce more of it, you doodles.
Yeah, right. I was gonna say
a replica means they're gonna make copies of the bug. Silly man.
Yeah. And
you mean
of course,
they'll rectify it quickly.
They'll rectify the bug. Yeah, they'll rectify.
Yeah. Rectify means they'll fix it and then they'll get back to you in a timely fashion. You doodles.
So shout out to them. Shout out to the developer of the Vision AI Assistant app. Maybe in future when this app progresses, we will get you on the podcast to talk about the developments and stuff and its future implementations for blind and visually impaired. I just actually noticed that on the web browser, you can't use the keyboard, which is kind of a bummer. I mean, you could use voice-over commands to navigate just like on a regular web browser, but it mentions the ability to swipe and do other gestures, but hopefully they will make it accessible to keyboard users as well, have keyboard access as well, and that would be pretty interesting. And like I said, I'll let you guys know when the integration of the AI, the Google AI voices have been implemented, so we can check that out and all that stuff. So hopefully that'll be integrated as well. And of course, shout out to, of course, my church fam, Delight fam, everybody involved. I did record the performances. However, you won't hear that till January, but it is recorded. It has been saved, so you'll be able to hear both of them in January. And we'll probably be doing Christmas ones in December. So Christmas ones, I will be sending that in as well. I'll be sending the Christmas ones in. If that gets played on the Christmas ones, it will. If not, then it'll have to be played in future shows. So yeah, anyways, that's about it for me. Hope you have a good rest of your week. And as Rachel said, there'll be 2 more episodes to go before we go on extended holiday break. So be on the lookout for that. And that's about it. I'm done here, so I'm going to pass the mic to Rachel, and I will see you guys either email, group chat, or I'll see you next week on the
10th.
On the 10th.
For our double birthday bash.
Yeah,
yay!
Birthdays! Yep, 2 birthdays. So y'all have a good one, and I'll see y'all later.
Okay. See you, JC.
Hey, JC.
See ya.
Bye, JC. All right, Preston.
I just got home and had to help Mom. All right.
Oh, do you want to do your shout-outs next, Phil, then? So you can go help her?
I just came back from helping her.
Oh, you just came back. I thought you said you have to go help her. I misheard. Okay.
No. I had gone home and had to help her.
Okay.
Very good. All right. Well,
Preston,
I guess I shall go next. Well, as always, shout out to all of our team members, those that are here, those that are listening. We thank you for your time and attention. As we say, we know you have many choices, but we glad you choose us when you are able. And I do want to give a shout out to our new friends at Cloud 11. Oh boy. When I was traveling last week and when I heard the relaunch, that's going to be exciting. I'm already working on a little script. I think I'll probably say, hello, this is Preston. You've heard of Cloud 9, right? Well, now it's Cloud 11, but it's with a K, featuring good content, a website, and a bunch of other surprises. So lock it in at Cloud 11 with Rachel and George. It's not fully produced yet, but we're figuring it out. Cool. Let's see.
That would be cool.
Yeah, don't worry. Over break, I will get that together. It's still in the thinking stages.
Yep,
So-
and Salvis and I will be working on getting the websites together. Hopefully they'll be up by the new year.
It's even exciting.
I think Kay texted me so much she drops and gave me drops. Because her texted me to go off my hair, so.
Yeah, she
I do
probably
know
dropped then. Katie, you there? Yeah.
I don't know.
Going once,
Yeah.
going twice.
That thing she dropped.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. I do want to give a shout out to all my friends and family that may be hearing this. Thank you for your support in my 30th decade. I mean, I know I learned a lot. I've grown a lot, but I'm glad I'm working on goals for me, and I'm glad that people are going to stand with me on those goals. So more to come on that and all that. So as always, enjoy our podcast, YouTube, and website and the Alexa skill, and keep enjoying the great holiday music on Christmas Party Radio. I don't want to get on the naughty list this year, so I fear I promote that.
Philip is.
Well, I fear he was.
He's on the naughty list this year.
I am not on the naughty list. Rachel's on the naughty list.
No, you're on the naughty list. You stood me up. You're on the naughty list. And George is also on the naughty list.
Hey.
Preston's on the nice list.
You guys have teased me. He's still on the naughty list? Oh, wow. I thought he would have been off of it this year.
Preston's on the nice list. Salvis is definitely on our nice list, considering he's our web developer for both VisionCast and Cloud 11, so he better be on the nice list. But you and George are on, Philip and George are on the naughty list, and they are the top two people on Rachel's weekly shit list.
Oh no.
Oh, no. That's it, Rachel. You're getting a lump of coal this year.
You're getting a lump of nothing this year.
Wow. Damn. Honey, I'd be careful.
George, you're on probation.
All right, fair enough. So you.
George is on the nice list. Philip is on the naughty list. Unless he makes it up to during shoutouts publicly and no fakery.
Yes. No, yeah, right. I second that. We'll see. But folks, keep enjoying the content. As always, as mentioned earlier, we did get our annual wrapped report from our distributor. So you can check it out now on our VisionCast Facebook page, our email list, and we will read it to you live on the air shortly. So I will say we did a pretty good successful year this year.
Yeah, it was great.
It was great. All right. Donald?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. He's probably working I think he's working in Santa's workshop again, trying to get more playlists together.
Donaldo.
Y'all got him.
Donaldo.
Y'all got him.
All right, we'll go to naughty list Phil, I guess, until Donaldo gets back.
What?
Your turn.
Okay,
Your turn, Phil. Phil. Okay, he's absent too. It's time to go help her again. This is the. It's your turn for shoutouts, honey.
Well, I'll give shoutouts to my mom, my family, my dearest, amazing Angela, to my dearest, amazing Brittany, as well as to my dearest, most beautiful, most kind, most sweet, most funny, my amazing, beautiful Rachel, who I love and adore each and every single day. I love you.
Even though I stand her up on dates.
It could be a bit of a. Yeah, she's not a pain in the butt. But she's the best.
Oh, you're gonna say.
I said she's not a pain in the butt.
You're gonna say it though. You're gonna say.
You were going to. Yeah, you're definitely on the naughty list now.
I love my dearest Rachel. I love all of thee.
Oh, we love thee
everything
too.
in all our hearts. I love all of thee.
Yeah.
We love thee. Donald, are you back yet?
We Donald
Donald and Salvis and Nora and Brittany. Well, we can go to Brittany next.
Oh, yeah. I'm still here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, go ahead.
So I'd like to get shout outs to the whole polycule. And then I would also like to give shout outs to everyone that's on this phone call and to my family and all my friends. And I hope everyone has a really great week. Well, rest of the week anyway.
Oh, we sure will, because I'm going to be celebrating. What are you talking about?
Well, yeah, you both are.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
I have some friends. I have some friends I'm working on, so I can't say too much.
Same.
Just friends that works.
Well, we'll be on the here out, George. I can wait. I got patience.
Then we're on the
George.
No, he's required. He's awesome.
All right.
Plans. I can't say too much about plans. I'll leave it at plans.
Nightingale.
All right. My shout out to every single member of this team. My shout out to my family and all my friends inside and outside of ACB and Cast Network. And my shout out to all of you listeners out there. Hope you all you have enjoyed the show, and hope to see you all next week. And ciao. See you all next week. Bye-bye.
Awesome. Okay. Leona, you're not there anymore, are you, Leona? Leona.
No, I think she dropped.
Yeah, she did. Donald. Going once, going twice. Donald.
I hope you didn't fall asleep on us.
Donald.
Okay, is he swear online or is he...
Oh, there you are.
All right.
Your turn, Donald.
Okay, I'd like to give my shout-outs to the team for having a great show tonight and for all the stuff that's going to be coming up in the near future with the next new year. I'm excited about that, too. I think we're going to have some good stuff coming up and so forth. And then, like I said, I'm going to be working on the Super Mix Radio website to modernize it, to update it to where now when you view it on a phone, it'll look better and it'll react better than what it does now.
Okay, cool.
Awesome.
Yay.
And
of course, and then I'll be having new albums come out next year as well. I'm working on a box set that Rachel is working on, and that I won't release that until all 5 albums in that set are done. Also, we'll hear them of course, you'll hear them as performances on here, but as far as releasing the album for sale or the box set for sale, I won't release that till it's all completed.
Yep.
That's awesome.
All right. Next up is Salvicio. I just made that up.
Oh, Rachelita. My shoutouts goes out to entire Vision Cast team and Cloud 11 team. Special shoutouts to Rachel, who is the best auntie in the world, and Baby Dave, and all other fans of Vision Cast. Have a great week, and we'll meet next week, hopefully.
Take care.
Oh. All right.
Awesome.
Let's see. JC Preston, Salvis, Donald, Philip, Katie and Leona dropped. I think. Did we get everyone else? Because I think it's your turn next, George.
So.
Brittany.
Okay. Well.
Yeah. It's your turn. So go ahead. I'll go ahead and I'll end it because I want to remind everybody of the announcements again, just to make sure in case I missed it. So go ahead.
Things brief. I'm going to show my beautiful girlfriend, my amazing beautiful Brittany, my amazing beautiful Angela, and my amazing beautiful Rachel, who's adorable, and we're all from kind. All 3 of you are, and we're looking at all 3 of you. And to all 3. To Philip, JC, Preston, Nora, Salvis, Donald, Katie, and everyone joining the call tonight. Love you all. Great show as always. And I'll just say next week's show is a show you doing this. I was tough for Rachel to line up things, but other than that, I can't say too much.
Yeah. All I can say is that next week George and I will be hosting. That is all I can say. We are hosting next week together.
Okay.
I won't say anything else, but yes, George and I will be hosting next week's show. He and I need to talk off air about some things, but yes, we will be hosting, and that is all I'm going to say.
Okay.
I'll say this much: for Brittany, there'll be surprises both off air and on air both. So, be on the lookout for the surprises.
And my surprise, the same thing, there'll be a surprise off air as well, but it probably will have to wait till about a week later for obvious reasons, but I can't say anything else. I didn't say what it was. I just said it will have to wait for a week later. That's all I said. Or about 10 days later, I should say. It'll have to be 10 days later, or around that time. Like we can have to 2 weeks later. No, but I can't get into why. But you'll see. But you'll know in time, Brittany.
By the way, you can bother me if you want, but you won't get out of me. Try to bother me if you want, but go and try. I challenge you.
Yeah. All right. Don't worry, Brittany. I'll tell you what it is. Shh, I'm kidding.
I'll lie, so you don't know it.
No, I'm not going to tell you either. You'll find out when you find out. All right, so I'm going to give my shout-outs, and then I'm going to go ahead and end the show. Of course, I'd like to give a shout-out to my amazing polycule, which consists of my beautiful girlfriend, Angela, my beautiful girlfriend, Brittany, and my amazing, beautiful boyfriend, George. Should I shout out Philip? I don't know. I don't know if I should shout him out. He stood me up. Oh, yeah. The boyfriend that's going into spam, Philip. Yeah.
Yeah, or just Stan.
No, all kidding aside. All kidding aside, to my amazing boyfriend, Philip. I love you all very, very much. Shout out to JC and Preston, our founding fathers, who pretty much trust me to be head honcho and don't resist me because they trust me because I'm that awesome. And they trust Old Fart George, even though he is an old fart. He doesn't deserve to be trusted anymore.
Hey, I didn't do anything.
I'm kidding. Shout out to my big old hunk of Lulu. She just joined us, my big old hunk of Lulu.
And baby also had Billy.
Shout out to baby David, who's turning 9 months old. Shout out to baby David, who's turning 9 months old tomorrow. Happy birthday, baby David.
Halfway there.
Yep.
Okay. I just saw a message. I'll react to that off air, but okay.
For who?
Brittany. She messaged something to the group. I'll react to that later.
The answer no. The answer no. Yeah, no.
No, it's not an on-air message to read.
No,
so,
I know. No, I know. I'm
so shout out to my Uncle Lulu. Say hi, everyone.
Hello,
shout out to my beautiful nephew.
Hello.
Shout out to my beautiful nephew, David. He hasn't started as well, but David's turning 9 months old tomorrow, so man, time flies. Shout out to Donald, who is our affiliate and one of the co-owners for VisionCast and Cloud 11, because we are sister teams now. We're partners now. And yeah, shout out to all you guys as listeners, for this show wouldn't really go anywhere without you. Well, that concludes VisionCast for tonight. Just a reminder, we have 2 more shows for this month. Next week will be the double birthday bash
this year,
for Preston. But
Sure.
2 more shows of this year too, both this month and this year. Good observation. So we have 2 more shows left of the year, because we will not be doing a show on Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve. So we have 2 more shows left of the year. We have our double birthday bash next week on the 10th. Will be recorded on the 10th for Preston and Brittany. And then our final week on December 17th will be our Christmas / end of the year special review party sort of thing. I'm going to say special versus review. I mean, we will do some review, but it's more of a special party. So it's our Christmas / end of year party. That will be on December 17th. We will have a few holiday performances, but we want to make sure we party as well. I also have a special surprise planned for all of the VisionCast members, so that'll be 2 weeks away. be sure to mark that on your calendar. Invite anyone you know. We'll probably extend that show as well. And then coming up in January, we have our New Year's special on January 7th. And then we will have our first ever 2026 talent show, Bonanza Extravaganza Extended. And that'll be the first talent show of the year. And we'll be doing more performances than randomness on that one because we're not doing any performances for this month, except for a few holiday ones.
Yeah.
And so be sure to mark those dates. 2 more shows this year, the 10th and the 17th. And then mark January 7th and January 14th on your calendar for next year. We hope to see you there. As always, thank you so much for listening and being part of our shows. And remember to keep your technology alive, let your talent shine. And normally we say Doodle spilled the milk, but since Philip stood me up, we should say Doodle stood me up instead.
Oh, wow.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Doodle
stood
me up.
Doodle spilled the milk.
And
hey,
just
Nora. What the hell? Wow. It was not called for. It was not called for.
That was just Bill, just to mess with him, because we both crashed last night, all kidding aside. I was just teasing him. But you know what? I can't resist. So everybody, let's say the normal phrase together, because I can't resist getting George. Doodles.
Yeah, right. No.
Doodles.
Hey.
Build the mill.
He's not safe. He's totally safe. Let him do. Totally safe. Let him do.
All right, everybody. Take care. God bless.
And we'll
see you next week.
Bye-bye.
Yep, we'll see. We'll
Bye,
see.
everyone.
Mwah.